go for engine start. This is Night Stalker 06, flight 2 UA 60.
You don't want to crowd the door. Left side first.
Better left than right.
Roger, Night Stalker. QB 0702, Rider Mag 3, extended 5.
Take as much ground as you can. Take the roll.
White smoke, how copy? Roger, Night Stalker 06, white smoke confirmed. You are clear to land. Be advised, the seat is hot. 06, Roger. Break, door gunners go. Weapons hot. LZ is hot. We are wheels down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Godspeed, Dylan.
Go, 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 go.
Door. Got it. Go. Take it. Moving in.
Watch that window. Got one guy, straight down.
What? Got it. You're good. Changing. Hey, moving back. Moving back. Moving back. Got you as soon as you rounded the corner.
Come on, you're good.
You good? Right here! Bro! Love it when you shoot someone and then they look around like, oh, shot me. I'm hit too. I'm hit too, bro. Chill out. Hey, my gun's up. No bang kills. Walking down the gate. Walking down the big gate. Bro, you're hit. You're hit. Blind fire. You are hit. You are hit. You are hit. Hey, bro, you are on the right of satellite. Got him! Got him! When you go to Sports Authority in the middle of a game.
Hey.
Dude, it's HK.
Oh, bro.
It's dual power.
No way.
Dual power.
Oh, spring and electric.
I mean, we need a little bit of propane.
I ain't traded my gun for this. My LM4? Yeah.
Dude, look, we could get a Titman Sports Series 4-in-1 pod harness.
Get a US Army paintball gun.
I definitely think we play Airsoft, boys.
No ammo, sir.
People that way, 3 people this way, everyone else is coming with you. We
So we're
need
locking it
people
down?
to go as fast as you can.
Lock down the...
Either lock down the mission doors or, you know, make sure that they can't get it.
Got it.
Because some of us
Singer,
are
before you
not
shoot me, put the thing away.
speed demons. Some of us are...
So 5 seconds. Yeah, you will never be able to steal my gun
ready,
because
get
if so, you're
ready,
going to have to
too.
drag my dead body with
What?
you. Oh, you bastard.
One down!
Hey, don't tack, don't tack.
Hey.
I get up there.
I don't know where it's not clear at. Up, side. Got him, got him. Nice. Guys in the hallway are dead. Guys in the hallway are dead.
Oh, motherfucker. Spawn.
Outside of bank.
Guys, I thought I saw 2 more in the
Airsoft. When your phone and your contour are dead, you need to charge your lipos. And it's going to be a long game, so I'm running plenty of gear. Alleyway.
Hey, go.